Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2007 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Standard. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2007 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Standard with 46,076 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with a keyless ignition and has been upgraded with an aftermarket tour pack, docking hardware, a slipstreamer windshield, a luggage rack, fuel door cover, and grips. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin motor, the ELECTRA puts 92 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel tank, the ELECTRA has a 220 to 250 mile range. It has a 26.3 inch seat height and a wet weight of 869 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender, paint chips on the saddlebags, a paint chip on the tour pack, and scratches on the upper fairing. This bike has an owner's manual and 3 keys. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.